The World Summit on the Information Society 2021 has begun and is off to an exciting start, having already hosted several workshops and sessions since the forum's launch in January, as well as receiving a record number of submissions for the WSIS prizes, with 1,270 projects submitted. You have until March 31st to vote for your favorite ICT for development projects. As the forum progresses, we encourage stakeholders to keep an eye out on our interactive agenda for announcements about exciting workshops and our various ICT for development related special tracks, many of which have already been inaugurated successfully, such as the ICTs and Gender Mainstreaming track, the ICTs for Wellbeing and Happiness track, as well as the ICTs and Accessibility for Persons with Disabilities and Specific Needs track. In addition, we are pleased to have opened our high-level track on March 22, 2021, which featured the appointment of the 2021 WSIS Forum Chairman. Policy sessions featured during the high-level track will be moderated by high-level track facilitators, nominated by the WSIS stakeholders during the open consultation process. These sessions will gather over 100 high-ranking officials of the WSIS stakeholder community, with over 35 ministers, deputies, ambassadors, and more than 30 heads of regulatory bodies, private sector, civil society, academia, and the technical community. Many other exciting tracks will open soon, such as the opening of the ICTs and Youth track, the opening of the Cybersecurity track, as well as the Emerging Technologies for Sustainable Development track, all of which you can find more information about on our interactive agenda and website. In addition to these exciting tracks, building on the title of this year's forum, ICTs for Inclusive, Resilient, and Sustainable Societies and Economies, we're hosting a series of related workshops, including our series of bi-weekly workshops where stakeholders from around the world demonstrate how they're using ICTs to fight back against the coronavirus pandemic. The work of our stakeholders will also be displayed on our virtual exhibition space that was inaugurated on March 15, 2021. Various other networking and social events will also be integrated into the forum, with meet and greet opportunities and frequent social media posts and engagements, as well as engagements during internationally recognized UN days and weeks. In addition, registration for the Aging Better with ICTs Hackathon is now open, and the hacking has begun, with more than 650 registrants participating. In addition to this exciting hackathon, we're pleased to announce that the WSIS Forum special track on ICTs and older persons will be initiating a special prize this year, entitled the WSIS Healthy Aging Innovation Prize. Call for submissions are still open, and we encourage you to submit related projects to this exceptional prize. We look forward to your participation, and thank stakeholders for their contribution in shaping this year's WSIS Forum with commitment and ongoing support. We received more than 500 inputs and suggestions from stakeholders worldwide to shape the agenda and program of the WSIS Forum 2021 during virtual discussions and direct official submissions to the open consultation process. We are delighted to see well-balanced contributions in terms of geographical location, gender balance, and stakeholder type, which has shown the positive commitment towards the WSIS process and the strengthening of WSIS implementation activities to achieve the Sustainable Development Goals. We would also like to extend a warm thank you to our partners, without whom this forum would not be possible. Thank you, and we look forward to a successful 2021 WSIS Forum.